welcome back to
I'm sure she'll have something in mind for me.
another video. So I'm taking my bike, oh my god, to my friend's house. My bike just fell over. So technically, ow, should have my goggles, I'm so tired. My gosh. Can that wheel stop? Buddy, don't put your face near it, please. Sorry, my wheel was spinning and he put his face near it. Dad, run me off.
I'm not sure yet. We've got stuff to do.
Mum spends hours doing her makeup though. About like 2 hours. Let's go. I'm ready. And I got my hair cut last night, so I'm trying to show that off as much as I can. And if you please would just subscribe to the channel, that would be, it would make my day. But my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Right now I've got 452. So if you would please just subscribe, that'd make my dream. And if I got to, oh my god, I'm so itchy. If I got to 1,000 subscribers by the end, 1K subscribers by the end of the year, that would be a dream of mine complete. Because, like, people who hate on videos, like, there's some people out there who just hate on videos for no reason whatsoever. So, like, if you do that, stop watching them. Like, then why, if you're gonna hate, why are you watching the videos? Like, and plus, I just hate, like, basically, if they're hating on my favourite YouTuber, a shout out to Snatched by Will, he's like, I need a makeup tutorial. Like, oh my god. They're just so good at makeup. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna just try and get to 1K subscribers. And also, if you don't mind, if you don't want to, it's okay. But I love you too. Can you go to my cousin's channel, which is Besties3839, or hashtag Besties Bentley and Milo, then and go subscribe. That'd make her day, because you guys don't know how hard we try for you guys, for you to just scroll past the video and be like, that video sucks. When we try everything. We've tried doing lots of things, and we enjoy this so much. Because, like, I am enjoying this. I enjoy making videos for you guys because I just do. Right, so next I'm gonna show off my Taylor Swift bracelet. Tell me how's it feel. Tell me how's it feel. Sitting up there, go so high. Tell me how's it feel. Right, I have 11 Taylor Swift bracelets. So I have 11 Taylor Swift bracelets, and one that my cousin got me from Lanzarote, and then one that has like so many charms in, and I have no clue where my nomination one's gone. I did have a nomination bracelet, but knowing me, I'll lose it. So these are my 11 Taylor Swift bracelets. So, oops, I just dropped one. Okay, I'm going to read them all out to you. So first one is Signature. Next is Speak Now. Then we got, oh wait, actually I'll show you them. So first we have Signature. Next we have Speak Now. Then we have a Swifty. Oh my god, I thought I broke for a second then. Ow. Then we got a Swifty. I thought that broke for a second. Then we got Evermore. Then we got another Swift, but it just says Swift. Then we have, my god, get off. Why are you guys tangled? Sorry, two of it's a bit tangled. Oh yeah. Now we got Red. Then we got All Too Well. Ow! I'm taking this off my dressing table. It hurts. Why won't it move? Oh yeah. I have to take this off. It hurts like crazy. That's like mad. And then, oh finally I've got some more free space to put my stuff. Then we got another Speak Now. Ouch. Now we got another Swift. Then we got another Swifty. And this one I already know, which now I got Lover. Also thought that broke for a second. Don't know what else to do. Right. So what I'm thinking is I put some loose powder. Why is it not? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's stuck, guys. It's literally stuck. Wait, I can't use that then. It always gets stuck. I would use that, like, but watch. So what I like to do is I like to go that, do. Like this. Then I go dupe. And I go with the red. Then just like just dab it, and then I use oh my god, the bag just ripped. Hold on. Oops, I pooped. Sorry, I just had that in my head from Harper. Thank you, Harper. I got that stuck in my head now. You're like my favourite YouTuber, so that's why I've got it stuck in my head. Because I'm watching you 24/7. I'm going to be mentioning like a lot of YouTubers in this, because why not? I'm going to go tell you to subscribe. So I want you to subscribe to... No, I did that wrong. I want you to go subscribe to... Team C's. Because T-Series even. All Team C's. Go donate to Team C's. Because they're like, goated. And go subscribe to Amelia Donaldson. Because people talk about her, but I've never ever seen her or seen her channel, but leave a like if you've ever seen this trend, because I have, and I really wanted to try it because I know that it turns out like cool, and I'm playing out today, so this would be a great idea. I'm gonna change the middle colour because I don't really like it. I just got it in my mouth. Alright, ready? I'm changing it to purple. Oh, I got hair in my mouth. Ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Wait, I low-key like that. I like that on this piece of sticker. I always get a sticker or paper or something to I low-key love it. Yeah, I low-key love this. It's got all in my teeth. That's disgusting. I love it so much. That's I love the purple in the middle, and you can just see little highlights of pink. I love it. I'm also playing out. Oh my god. I'm also playing out with my friend Jamie. And I don't actually know him. He's my cousin's friend, but I'm not playing out with him today. His name's, I can't remember his name. Damien. And he, so basically my cousin was, looking, trying to catch a baseball. And then we swapped teams because Bella was on Jamie's team and I was on Damien's team. No, Bella was on my team and Damien was on Jamie's team. And I was like, let's swap teams. What is that? Hold on, I'm just gonna go wash my hands. When do you want this to come for you? So my friend's just texting me now of when do you want this to come? So I'm going to answer that in a minute. Actually, my cousin will probably answer it because I don't know when they come in. I'm gonna get this piece of towel. Actually, never mind. I'm gonna get a piece of toilet paper and like this. Squeeze it. I'm actually kind of surprised that it hasn't got all over my shirt, because usually, right now, be all over my shirt. But it's not, so I love it. So you just saw me do my makeup, and usually it gets all over my shirt. Like, why does this, tell me what happens when you're wearing like a plain white shirt, you're doing your makeup and you like spill it all, you're just like all down your shirt, and you're like, damn it. I need to wash them. I need to wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands. We don't have, why is that with soap? But we don't have any soap, so I'm gonna use some shampoo. I'm using some shampoo. No, not shampoo. I'm using some body wash. Because there is no more soap left. And now you dry them on a towel. So now let's go downstairs and go see that I'm ready. Because I am. I'm surprised I did not get on my shirt. Because it always gets on it. Let's go. Where are they all? Bro, where are they both? I bet they're both upstairs. Where the hell are they? Oh my god. I bet they're both upstairs. Where's my dad's van?
Oh my god!
Oh, it's right down there. Yeah, it's right down there. It's my mom's. There. Hi, Mom. Ow! Let's go down and just like, you know, just make stuff and like, you know, I don't know what I'm talking about. Hi, bud. That's my kitty cat. I don't know if you can see it, but it's my kitty. I really want to watch TV, so I'm going to watch it in a minute. I'm in the middle of Cat and Sam, so I'm in the middle of Cat and Sam, so why don't I watch my tablet? Bro's actually got so much camera. I almost just dropped one, but I just got it. Thank God. Yeah, it's not, my tablet ain't working. Move. Boink. Work. I'm gonna snap my fingers and you will work. Now we do that. Bro, there's an airplane outside and it's annoying. So basically, I'm gonna go in my kitchen now and get something to eat because I don't even know. I'm just gonna get some really yummy biscuits. I just love them. I'm gonna get this protein bar. They're nice as hell. They're nice, they're nice, they're nice. Together forever. Bro. So what I do is I go on, there's a random game. So I'm gonna go now, guys. Hope you have a massive good day for the rest of your day. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. Goodbye.